Hello aspirants, welcome to GDC English classes. So here I came up with a good news for you. The GDC English classes starting pharmacist coaching for RRB as well as Telangana pharmacist. So do you know already the RRB released a 246 vacancy notification in the last 1 week itself. So already we started the coaching and Telangana government will release it. They will release the notification in the September, and most probably the Telangana pharmacist government exam will be in November or further, and RRB exam surely will be it is in December or January. And you know about the GDC, the quality as well as content, and here the details of this GDC pharmacist coaching for RRB as well as Telangana pharmacist. So you can see here. So we will provide live classes and we will provide practice test and discussion on the practice test and marathon MCQs, and we will provide hard copies materials also. So simply, yes, recorded video lectures will be there. You can get pre-recorded video lectures as well as you can get live classes also, especially marathon live classes, which is very special in the GDC platform. Most of the students will like the platform because of that marathon series. In that marathon series, we will discuss the MCQs in detail, and we will discuss about previous year question papers as well as expected questions in upcoming pharmacist exam. And apart from pharma classes, we also provide non-pharma class. So 70% will be pharma subjects, 30% will be non-pharma like arithmetic, reasoning, general knowledge, etc. And you will get online test series, and you will get hard copy material, theory as well as both the MCQs hard copies material. And yes, you will get previous year MCQs with explanation, and you will get a e-notes in our app, that is GDC classes app. So go to the Play Store, so download our app GDC classes. And so all these features, all these benefits only with amount of 3,999. So there is an offer is there. So instead of 4,999 you will get this course for 3,999. So these are the features. So you can contact the numbers here for more details. And already demo classes are going on. Demo classes from September 1st to the demo classes are from August 21st to the August 30, and from September 1st onwards we will start the classes. And yes, you can pay the fees and you can attend the classes. So don't miss the demo classes. So here the numbers you can contact here directly. And here this is my number 799 531 8103. Myself Ashok Kumar Yapuri. I completed my MS from Naipar Raebareli 2015 pass out, and since that I am in teaching field, and I am also one of the faculty in GDC classes. And recently we started GDC English classes for especially South India pharmacy students regarding GPAT, NIPER, DI as well as pharmacist. So this is regarding the information. So these are the features with this price. And you know the pharma government job, especially railway pharmacist, is a central government job. It having many benefits, and Telangana pharmacist also they are government providing their own benefits. So don't miss the opportunity. Prepare well. So come and join with us. So it is a tradition in GDC. The students who joined in the GDC, surely they will crack the any exam. Okay, thank you. All the best. So contact me on this number, and I am from the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, all the best.